Combine the letters ABC with picture to make your PowerPoint more stylish. Let's make it together in 3 minutes. Open PowerPoint and insert a photo. Right-click on the photo and select Format Picture. Cut the photo. In the Format Background menu on the right, select Picture or Texture Fill. Click on Clipboard. Insert a rectangle and stretch it to the same size as the photo. In the Format Shape menu on the right, select No Outline. Choose Gradient Fill. Remove all other bars except for one on the left and one on the right. Select black for the right bar and adjust the transparency to 100%. Select black for the left bar and adjust the position to 30%. Choose Linear Right for the direction. Insert the letter A in white impact font with a size of 600. Move the letter to the left side of the screen. Insert a small rectangle in the white area of the letter A. First, click on the letter A, then hold down the Control key and click on the rectangle. In Merge Shapes, select Union. Click on Slide Background Fill on the right. Add text. Repeat the above steps to create 2 more slides. Select the second slide and choose Push in Transitions, then adjust the duration to 1.5 seconds. Repeat the same operation for the third slide. Done.